These are the new S8 low-torque screwdrivers from Atlas Copco. They feature a brushless motor and an adjustable mechanical clutch to help maintain precise torque output. Their direct plug-in ability provides portability and ease of use, no controller or software required. A durable ESD-certified design helps them stand up to tough industrial workplaces. A wide variety of torque ranges from 3 to 20 and from 50 to 250 centinewton-meters give you flexibility, while speeds of 1000 to 2000 RPM with a soft start provide a rapid fastening experience, perfect for electronic manufacturing. If you are considering upgrading your screwdrivers, the high-speed Precision S8 screwdrivers might be right for you. Pair them with a torque reaction arm to help improve operator ergonomics even further. Check out our selections of electric torque screwdrivers on FlexibleAssembly.com, and be sure to subscribe for more product videos and updates from Flexible Assembly.